Hey everyone, welcome to Hondas and Hounds. And I should have started this video probably a little bit ago. I got this Honda CB750, it's a 1978. Started ripping it apart already, got the engine taken out, a few parts taken off, so I can start cleaning up the bike itself. The engine, I'll show you in a little bit. I've got it half ripped apart. It was locked up, so I had to put a PV blaster and a bunch of other stuff in there and knock it loose. Then I honed out all the cylinders, and I'll show you that in just a second. Here's the bike in current form. I just got the gas tank off of eBay just a little bit ago. Still have a few parts left to purchase, nothing too much, little stuff like the throttle, needs new brake cables, clutch cables. I got the headlight and the speedometer and everything, just haven't got it put on yet. I need turn signals. But this is the bike so far. Broken out tail light. Exhaust's off, but besides a little bit of rust on the muffler portion, it's in pretty good shape. Show you the engine now. Here's the engine in its current state. I'll put up some pictures about what it used to look like and the bike, what it looked like when I first bought it. I haven't got these on yet. I need to put the cylinders in, but I just have this sitting like this for now. But here's the honed out cylinders also. I'm just gonna overlay some images while I'm talking real quick, just some of the pictures of what it looked like when I brought it home, and then the engine, gas tank, some of the parts, stuff like that. But my next video is gonna be me trying to get those pistons inside the block. I'm gonna try to go the cheap route and just use some hose clamps for now to try to get the pistons in. Watch some videos, looks possible, doesn't look like it scratches anything up or hurts anything, so I'm gonna try that just for the simple reason that I didn't want to buy the piston compressors for maybe a one-time use. I don't know how many bikes I'm going to get this far into. The last, that 78 XL100 that I have, I really just had to do some basic work on that, no real engine work. So that's what I'm going to try for. So if you want to like and subscribe and follow me, see how I do this. I am not going to try to completely restore this bike to original, and I'm not going to do anything like a cafe racer on it. I'm pretty much just going to put it back to running condition with a few mods. So I don't know if you'd call it like a resto mod. For the most part, use the original equipment that I can get off of eBay, but with some modifications, like the front headlight might end up being LED, you know, my own paint design, stuff like that. So just follow along, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.